Hi everyone, this is Best Trio, bringing you the presentation about the topic related to aquaculture. So, our group members are Nicholas, me, Yu Hong, and Jing Ye. And our topic is the alternative plant ingredients to replace fish oil in fish diet. What our topic will touch about is, what is fish diet? Why do we need to replace fish oil? And what is the alternative resources to replace fish oil? First of all, fish diet is mainly composed of marine ingredients, which are fish meal and fish oil. The feeds are commonly seen in pellets or granules form, which provide a balanced nutrition for the growth of fish. What is the current fish diet in aquaculture? Basically, there are two main ingredients, fish meal and fish oil. Those two ingredients are most commonly found in commercialized feed with the addition of protein source, vitamins, minerals, antibiotics, and hormones to have a nutritionally complete diet for fish. Now, let's talk about fish oil. Actually, fish oil brings several advantages. For example, it has sufficient content of essential fatty acids, in particular omega-3 and 3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, such as EPA and DHA. It also increases the fish tolerance against low temperature. However, it also brings disadvantages. First, the increasing demand for the marine fish, not only the factory for the production of fish feed or fish oil, while also the overfishing for the demand of public. Next, the cost of wild-caught fish is high, and due to the overfishing, the population in marine life is decreasing. Therefore, fish oil is unsustainable resources for fish feed. Therefore, we need to find an alternative resources for fish oil, which is plant oil. Why? So, let's begin with our main concern of this topic, which is plant oil as an alternative. What is plant oil? Literally, it is the natural oil produced from plants, and usually is extracted from the seeds of the plants. Based on the researches that we found, sunflower oil, corn oil, linseed oil, and rapeseed oil are the most potential oil as alternative resources to replace fish oil. So, let's see about the examples of the plant oils. This is sunflower oil, linseed oil, corn oil, and rapeseed.
We will be talking about the benefits of plant oil. First, with the consumption of plant oil, it will result in fish with even higher nutritional value than the current one with fish oil. In other words, it enhances the performance of fish. Plus, plant oil can be the alternative as it is cheap and readily available. So, it is considered a much more sustainable alternative. And also based on one of the researchers, it says that the plant oil also good for maintaining antioxidant effect, growth hormone, and histomorphology appearance of the fish. However, there are still some limitations in using plant oil to replace fish oil. The main limitations is the differences in amino acid, cholesterol, and fatty acid compositions between plant and marine feed ingredients. For example, vegetable oils are rich in unsaturated 18C fatty acids, but are less in sources of N3-PUFA, which is polyunsaturated fatty acids. Some of them have reduced concentration EPA and DHA, which is essentially exists in the fish oil. Furthermore, there is a presence of a wide variety of anti-nutritional substances in plant ingredients like protease inhibitors, phytates, and phoboesters. There is still limited studies on short or medium-term experiments, and long-term effects of plant-based diets remain poorly documented. These are the literature review regarding replacement of fish oil with vegetable oil and the overall performance of different fish species after the replacement of dietary fish oil with plant oil alternative.
So in the last part of this video, we will look at the impact of this research, the area for improvement, and the potential studies in the future. Firstly, what are the impact of this research to the industry of aquaculture? One of the most important impact is the cost of fish feed. As we all know, due to the high demand of the marine resources, the cost of fish oil is getting more expensive. Hence, by replacing fish oil with cheap and readily available plant oil, the cost of the fish feed can be lowered down. Also, sustainability issue in wild fish harvesting can be solved because we are no longer having to harvest the wild fish and make them as fish oil. Secondly, what are the key areas for improvement in using plant ingredients to replace fish oil in fish diet? Based on the limitation mentioned previously, there are two main areas that we can improve. First is the low entry HUFA content in plant oil. You can use genetic modification to increase the entry HUFA content in oilseed crop. For example, transgenic oilseed crop can be engineered to produce the major entry HUFA by the insertion of various genes encoding desaturase or elongase. After that, in the oil extraction process of this transgenic plant oil, all protein and genetic material will be removed, and therefore none of the inserted gene will be included in the aqua feeds. The next problem is the presence of anti-nutritional factors found in the plant that are detrimental to animals and humans. Researchers have shown that by using genetic modification, mutation, or selection, the anti-nutrient in plant can be removed before processing to fish feed. Lastly, what are the potential future studies in this research? We think that the use of genetic engineering can be explored further. For example, we produce transgenic fish that has greater capability for entry HUFA biosynthesis. In this case, the fish can utilize the 18 carbon fatty acid, which is available in high content in plant oil. Also, the transgenic fish can be made to be able to utilize the plant ingredients more efficiently and able to tolerate the anti-nutrients found in the plant. In conclusion, as the human population growth continues, the demand for more fish and seafood will increase. Hence, the need for aquaculture research to develop a sustainable oil ingredient to replace fish oil that doesn't affect the growth and nutritional value of the fish is vital. And this is our reference list. Alright, now we have reached the end of this video. Hopefully you have learned something from our video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share it. That's it. Bye.